Very good evening, friends. Meeting again in the session of Materia Medica, and today we're going to learn one more short remedy from the fourth year syllabus, that is the Malandrinum. It's a nosode. Malandrinum is prepared from the grease of horse. Grease is a disorder in the horse which is caused because of the cowpox virus, and it is a skin condition which happens to be there in the form of some eruptions. There is recurrent impetigo, the skin looking dry, cracked, sometimes greasy, with a lot of pus happens to be there. And from that, Dr. Straube has prepared the 30th C potency and he has proved the drug. And this proving gave a lot of things to the homeopathy. I have used this remedy in one child where I was not getting the result with the skin eczema, that is the Palmer eczema, which was not responding to the petroleum. It used to found to be there every winter. He was 3 years or 4 year child, and it used to found to be every winter, but was not responding to the petroleum also. I have tried, but nothing was working. Then when I looked toward the case, there was one important thing. His mother explained that he is handling his penis a lot of times. Then I have recollected that Burnett has given this remedy for the skin conditions, where he had one case where handling of the penis was the characteristic feature, and where Burnett has used this remedy. So I have used the same remedy, Malandrinum 30C, through this child, and to my surprise, within span of 15 days, everything vanished. It is a wonderful remedy for very similar condition as looks like petroleum, like skin eruptions, which where there are cracks, the dry eruptions over there. There is severe itching. There are scabs over there, and fits. Whenever there is cold weather, it used to get aggravated. It is also aggravated because of washing, the eruptions which comes after the washing. The malandrinum is there. In second condition, where I'm using nowadays this remedy up and on, whenever the case is chronic enough, the cancerous case is there and it is chronic enough, it is good enough to give 1 or 2 intercurrent doses of the malandrinum 200 to remove the cancerous deposits. Cooper has used this remedy for such condition, and I'm using in since last 2 3 years malandrinum as an intercurrent for such types of condition, and definitely it helps to remove the cancerous deposits whenever they are persistent, even after the very perfect remedy. This remedy helps a lot. So these are very important indications for which I used to use this remedy. It's a very short remedy given in Boericke Materia Medica. If you want to read its further proving, you can go to the Allen's keynotes at the end where nodules have been mentioned by Allen. But again, the things are not so strong which are mentioned over there. The things which are mentioned over there are the things which are very specifically related with the um, these conditions, skin conditions, and the to remove the cancerous deposits. So this is what the malandrinum is there. Just open the Boericke Materia Medica. It's very short remedy mentioned by Boericke over there. Malandrinum is grease in horses. That's Dr. Straube who has proved this remedy. Straube. A very effectual protection against the smallpox. And there were a lot of experiments done by the people. Even the Burnett has used this, Dr. J.H. Clark has used this, and they have done experiments that after giving this remedy, whether the smallpox infection takes place or not, and they were satisfied with the prevention regarding the smallpox. So very effectual protection against the smallpox. Ill effects of vaccination, other than thuja and silica, this is one more remedy. If bad effects of vaccination leading to the rattling cough, then antimtat is one of the important remedy. Efficacious in clearing of the remnants of cancerous deposits, Cooper has said, and this is what I used to use. Skin, there are scabs on upper lip with stinging pain when torn off. Aching in forehead, there is aching feeling in forehead. Dry, scaly, itching, raggeds of hands and feet in cold weather and from washing. Toes feel scalded and itch terribly. See, these are the features which are very important, typical skin eruptions, which happens to be there on horse. The similar types of eruptions you can get over there with Malandrinum. Bone-like protuberances, 30th potency and highest. I have used the 30, 200 and 1M. But generally, whenever the skin condition is persistent, my suggestion is always to start with the 30. Few repeated doses and then stop. Don't repeat it too much. Then it works a lot. In cases of cancerous deposits, I used to use 200 as the intercurrent remedy. Sometimes after that, 1M as an intercurrent remedy. So this is very short remedy. One must learn. My suggestion to all of you, go through the even Murphy's Lotus Materia Medica. You can get many aspects. He has collected it from the Clark. He has collected it from Murphy and Boericke. So you get lot of things. He has collected it from Patak and Boericke. So Clark, Patak and Boericke's consideration have been given by Murphy over there. So this is a wonderful remedy. One must think in chronic skin conditions which are not responding to the specific remedy. And this is used as an intercurrent and with a wonderful results. And even in cancerous deposits, one must think about the Malandrinum. So that's all for today. Thank you. We'll meet
Sir,
again.
I have one question.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Sir, if I have a good, strong physical or concomitant, and if I have strong the mental also, so should I start with 200 or directly 1M will be better?
For what purpose you want to give?
Uh, it's
If you
not the
want to give
pathology,
it,
is
it
sorry.
depends upon where to use.
Okay,
If you want to use it for the skin condition, start with low. If you want to use it more deeper plane, then you go for medium potency. If you want it most deeper plane, you can go with 1M. It never depends upon mental symptoms are present. It depends upon where exactly do you want the result.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Huh.
हा सर विच मी मागं तुम्हाला पेशंट एक हे केलं होतं ना सर. हॅलो सर.
हाँ बोल.
हा सर. दॅट पेशंट इज व्हेरी म्हणजे इम्प्रुव्हिंग सर.
Yes.
हा ऍक्च्युली नाव 3 weeks शी इज ऑन एसएल. देन ऍक्च्युली म्हणजे सॅंग्विनेरियाचं हे काय किती आहे सर ड्युरेशन ऑफ ऍक्शन?
Sanguinary is deep acting remedy.
हा सर. कारण आता 3 weeks मी त्याला एसएल वरतीच ठेवलेलं आहे. 30च दिलं होतं त्यावेळेला मी.
Okay. Yeah.
मग लगेच रिपीट नको ना करायला सर ते?
No need.
हा नाही करणार. ओके.
So
थँक्यू
that's all
सर.
for
थँक्यू
today.
सो
Thank you and good evening. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
मच.
Good night.